For many, YouTube is more than just entertainment. It's somewhere to learn new skills, whether that's how to put up a shelf, fix your car, or how to cook. One channel that has combined these two skill sets is Sorted Food. Sorted Food is a unique blend of friendship, food, and culinary adventure. It's captivated millions of viewers around the globe, and started by childhood friends from the UK, Sorted Food has transformed from a simple idea into one of the most beloved and engaging food communities on YouTube. At its core, Sorted Food is about making cooking accessible, fun, and a shared experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who struggles to boil water, this channel has something for everyone. From mouth-watering recipes to epic food challenges and educational segments on food trends and techniques, Sorted Food brings a fresh and entertaining perspective to the culinary world. What sets Sorted Food apart is the dynamic cast of characters, including a professional chef and his three normal friends. They together explore the vast world of food. Their chemistry is infectious, making every episode feel like you're hanging out with a group of friends in the kitchen. This camaraderie, combined with their genuine passion for food, creates an inviting and inclusive atmosphere that encourages viewers to explore new cuisines. They experiment in the kitchen and, most importantly, enjoy the process. This channel's content is incredibly diverse, ranging from chef versus normal battles, where professional techniques are pitted against home cooking hacks, to Pass It On, a relay-style cooking challenge that often results in hilarious, unexpected dishes. Sorted Food also takes viewers on global culinary tours, showcasing the rich diversity of food cultures around the world and bringing international flavours into the home kitchen. Behind the laughter and delectable dishes, Sorted Food is driven by a mission to connect people through food. The community aspect is a significant part of the channel, with viewers encouraged to share their cooking experiences, tips, and even recipe failures. This interactive engagement has fostered a supportive and enthusiastic online food community, making Sorted Food not just a YouTube channel, but a global food movement. Sorted Food stands as a testament to the power of friendship, creativity, and a shared love of food. It's a place where cooking is celebrated as a joyful, communal activity, and where every viewer is invited to join the adventure. If you'd like to hear us talk about more YouTube channels, food ideas, and much more, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.